I'm at the Sri Srinivasa Perumal Temple in Serangoon Road. This is where the Indian Cultural and Heritage Experience is taking place. This showcase is part of the Indian New Year celebrations for this year. 16 organizations representing different ethnic groups are here to feature their own unique cultural aspects as well as the different ways in which they celebrate their respective New Years in this week-long exhibition.
Last year, you all are aware that due to COVID-19, so we couldn't celebrate this New Year celebration. So this year, it's going to be a virtual and physical event. Another highlight for this year, we have this exhibition from 16 different Indian communities.
Well-known Singaporean artists and dance groups representing partner organizations are performing at the launch event for the Indian New Year celebrations. The combined celebrations are hosted by the Little India Shopkeepers and Heritage Association, better known as LISHA. Minister in the Prime Minister's office, Indrani Raja, has graced this occasion as guest of honour. She accepted a cheque on behalf of President Halimah Yacob as part of the President's Challenge. The donation includes contributions from LISHA, event partners, businesses and individuals.
Many festivals are celebrated in this period under many names: Uthanda, Vishu, Ugadi, Vaisakhi and Gudi Padwa, among others. While each festival has its own unique customs and caters to specific ethnic groups, collectively they symbolize the Indian community united in a spirit of joy and hope. And through such instances, we see not only the very strong bonds that we enjoy, but also the rich tapestry that is the Singaporean Indian community.
Let's speak to some of the association representatives to find out more.
We are trying to portray Kannada Sangha Singapura from how it celebrates and what are the activities we have for our members and the cultural integration, because Kannada Sangha Singapore, we stand for providing a platform for our Sangha members and also to integrate with the local community.
The Chetty Melaka community is a small group in Singapore which has roots in Malacca in the Malay Peninsula. They are a unique group of Indians who converse mainly in Malay among themselves. With me here is a representative from the community.
Many of us got married to intermarriage to Chinese, Malays and Indians. So once we are Chetty Melaka, we married to an Indian, basically, you can see. We will tend to follow more the Indian culture and so forth. We have our own Chetty Melaka cultures. The way we go to temple too, we pray, and at home we speak the Creole Malay and English or in Malay together. And we do have the food that we prepare at home. Basically, it's very fusion because we are called Peranakan Indian.
I'm the president of the Singapore Sindhi Association, which is now celebrating this year the 100th year of its establishment as an association in Singapore. We have given all the three aspects: the past, and the present, and our future expectations also. And also we have put a very typical sort of a prayer offering to show the public that this is how it was been doing for hundreds of years actually.
अटुष्य पानबाई अटुष्य गोडतोडे घालून आपण नटुष्य अटुष्य पानबाई अटुष्य गोडतोडे घालून आपण नटुष्य गोडतोडे कुणाला गोडतोडे जावेला बाई जावेला.
When you come here, you will see different glimpses of Maharashtra, right from its forts to the current city of Mumbai. We will also displaying a folk dance at the venue here. But if you look at the exhibition, you will also understand a little bit more about how Maharashtrians have prospered here in Singapore over the last 40 years that we have been established here.
Besides this exhibition, many other activities have been lined up for the celebrations. A culinary walk titled Shok Suve will be held tomorrow, the 24th of April. This event will include visits to 5 different ethnic restaurants featuring cuisines from different parts of India. A treasure hunt titled Heritage Khajana will be held on the 5th of May. Details of this event and other activities held in conjunction with the Indian New Year celebrations are available on Lisha's Facebook page. Pre-registration is required for these activities. So, if you are keen, do sign up as soon as you can.